Hey man, take a deep breath. I know exactly where your head's at right now. That sinking feeling in your chest, the endless loop of what ifs playing in your mind. She's pulling away, ignoring your messages, or maybe she just walked out without a second thought. And now you're stuck, debating whether to reach out, to fix things, to make it right. But listen to me, stop. I need you to hear this, not just with your ears, but with every part of you. No contact is your power move. This isn't about playing games, making her miss you, or some manipulative tactic. It's about you. It's about reclaiming your self-respect, your dignity, and your sanity. Right now, you feel like you've lost control, but you haven't. You just need to take it back. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about. So don't go anywhere, because what I'm about to tell you could change everything. Point 1. No contact is about power, not punishment. A lot of guys get no contact completely wrong. They think it's a trick, a game to make her chase. That's a weak mindset. No contact isn't about her, it's about you. It's about stepping back, reclaiming your energy, and proving to yourself that you don't need validation from someone who doesn't see your worth. Think about it. Every time you reach out, every time you try to fix things, you're reinforcing the idea that she has the power. You're telling her, I'll be here no matter how you treat me. And that's a losing position. But the moment you stop the chasing, something shifts. Now, she's the one who has to sit with the silence. She's the one wondering, why isn't he trying? Did he move on? Was I wrong about him? That uncertainty, that's what flips the dynamic. You see, no contact isn't about making her miss you. It's about showing yourself that you're strong enough to walk away. And when you do that, whether she comes back or not, you've already won. Point 2. Women crave certainty. No contact creates uncertainty. Listen man, most guys make the same mistake. They make it too easy. They text, they check in, they keep the door open, hoping she'll walk back through it. And guess what? She expects it. She's used to men throwing themselves at her, desperate for her attention. But the moment you go silent, that's a shock to her system. Suddenly, the script is flipped. Now she's the one questioning things. Wait, why isn't he texting? Did he move on? Is he seeing someone else? That uncertainty, it's powerful. See, women don't just want attention, they want certainty. They want to know they have you wrapped around their finger, that no matter what they do, you'll always be there, waiting. But when you go no contact, you remove that certainty. And when a woman doesn't know where she stands with you, that's when she starts thinking about you more than ever. And when you stop chasing, when you let her feel that void, she starts to wonder if she made the wrong choice. That's when the tables turn, because the guy who doesn't beg, the guy who isn't afraid to walk away, that's the guy she can't ignore. Point 3. No contact forces you to break the addiction. Let's be real man, right now you're hooked, not on her, but on the idea of her. You're chasing the memories, the little dopamine hits you get when you see her name pop up, the attention she used to give you. Love? Attraction? That's just chemistry in your brain messing with you. And every time you check her social media, every time you scroll through old messages, you're taking another hit of that drug. But she's not the cure, you just need a detox. No contact isn't about punishing her, it's about saving yourself. It's about rewiring your mind, cutting off the supply, and finally seeing things for what they are. And the longer you stay away, the clearer things become. You start to realize, she's just another girl. Not the goddess your mind made her out to be, not the one person who completes you, just another person who walked into your life and walked out. And the moment you break that addiction, that's when you get your power back. That's when you stop craving her and start focusing on something way more important, you. Point 4. No contact only works if you fully commit. Look man, this isn't something you can half-ass. Most guys say they're doing no contact, but they're still watching her Instagram stories, still accidentally running into her, still checking to see if she's online. That's not no contact, that's self-sabotage. You can't expect to heal if you're still keeping the door open, even a little. If you really want to move forward, you need to cut off all access. Delete her number, unfollow her, get rid of those old photos that keep pulling you back. Make it impossible for yourself to reach out, because the second you do, you're right back at square one. Think of it like this. If you're trying to quit smoking, you don't keep a pack of cigarettes lying around just in case. You get rid of them. You remove the temptation. No contact works the same way. The only way to break free is to go all in. No safety nets, no excuses, just a clean break. And yeah, it will be tough at first, but once you push through, that's when everything changes. Point 5. The real power move, move on. Let me hit you with some truth most guys don't want to hear. No contact isn't about getting her back, it's about getting yourself back. If she comes back, cool. If she doesn't, even better. Because the real power move isn't sitting around, waiting, hoping she realizes what she lost. The real power move is moving on. Think about it. When you finally stop caring, when you stop making her the center of your world, that's when you win. That's when your focus shifts from her to you, your goals, your growth, your future, and that's when everything starts to change. And the moment you stop chasing, that's when women start paying attention. It's not about trying to make her jealous, it's about becoming the kind of man who doesn't waste time on someone who walked away. When you truly move on, when you level up, that's when the right woman actually notices. Not because you were playing games, but because you became a man worth noticing. Lastly, if you're stuck obsessing over a girl who isn't treating you right, it's time to go no contact. Right now, no texts, no calls, no checking her social media. Just disappear. Focus on yourself, level up, build your mindset, chase your goals, and watch what happens. Because the moment you truly let go, you'll realize something powerful. You never needed her in the first place. And if you want more straight up, no BS advice, make sure to check out my other videos. Stay strong, bro. I'll see you in the next one.